Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks with plastic waste. This innovative approach transforms discarded plastics into valuable building materials, offering a sustainable solution to environmental challenges. By repurposing plastic, we can significantly reduce landfill waste and conserve precious natural resources. It's a straightforward process that involves collecting, preparing, and molding various types of plastic into durable, usable bricks for construction. Let's dive into the details of this exciting method. To begin, you'll need to gather a variety of plastic waste, such as old bottles, bags, and containers. It's crucial to sort these plastics by their type, like PET, HDPE, or polypropylene, as this affects their melting properties. Next, thoroughly clean and dry all the collected plastic to remove any dirt or contaminants. Finally, shred or cut the plastics into small, uniform pieces. This step is essential for efficient melting and ensures a consistent final product. The core of the process involves heating the shredded plastic to its melting point, which typically ranges between 150 and 250 degrees Celsius, depending on the plastic type. Once molten, you'll mix it with aggregates like sand or gravel to enhance the brick's strength and stability. Then, carefully pour this hot mixture into brick molds, ensuring it fills every corner. As it cools, apply pressure to create dense, solid, and robust bricks. Plastic bricks offer numerous advantages over traditional materials. They are remarkably lightweight, incredibly durable, and provide excellent insulation, which can help reduce energy costs. In fact, some plastic bricks can be up to 5 times stronger than conventional clay bricks. They also boast superior resistance to water and pests, making them ideal for various climates. Ultimately, using plastic waste in this way supports sustainable development and helps create affordable housing solutions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.